A woman accused of ripping off dozens of grieving families faces a judge. And now we learn Kelly Lepler was not only arrested in Missouri, prosecutors say she was on the run through multiple states. Steve White's been following this. Steve, where'd she go?
Well, Tim, what we learned today in court is that police say they tracked her through 3 states at least. Now she's back, and a judge named 43 families out loud here in courts who say they were ripped off.
Count 1.
Case after case.
Count 12 is
43 names read into the record.
this weapon.
In sheer scope, Grand Island police say Kelly Lepler's crimes may have more victims than anything they've investigated in decades. The 45-year-old is accused of taking money from grieving families, knowing she couldn't deliver headstones they'd ordered.
Did you understand everything in the video?
Yes.
Lepler said little during an 18-minute appearance, which comes 23 days after charges were filed. Now, prosecutors say, hours after an arrest warrant was issued, Lepler took off.
The investigators tracked a car belonging to her family to Oklahoma and Texas and eventually Missouri. Investigators communicated with other law enforcement agencies nationwide, and the defendant was eventually stopped. The Grand Island Police Department had been tracking the car in St. Charles.
In the eyes of the county attorney, that makes Lepler a flight risk, as prosecutors ask for a high bond to keep her in jail with 43 charges pending.
Punishable.
NTV has reached out to victims. Terry Webbin says most are elderly on fixed incomes. Webbin says she's disappointed Lepler has the potential to post bond. The judge set it at 10% of $150,000. $15,000 in other words. Money Lepler says she doesn't have, as the judge asked if she's employed.
Just the company that is involved in this case.
The total loss to the alleged victims may be around $200,000. Those families say Lepler took advantage of them. Now it's in the hands of the court. Now, Lepler's dad, Alan, ran the business for a number of years. He was in court today. We gave him a chance to comment, and Tim, he declined at this time.